Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ruhullah. It's my YouTube channel, Education Syrup. Today topic is solid geometric shapes. Number 1 cube, 6 equal square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The angle between two adjacent faces is 90 degree. Number 2 sphere, no faces, sides or vertices. All points are located at the same distance from the center. Number 3 rectangular prism. 6 rectangular faces, opposite faces are equal, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The angle between two adjacent faces is 90 degree. Number 4 cylinder. Two circular faces that are congruent, same shape and size and parallel, same distance from each other. Face connected by a curved surface. Number 5 pyramid. One polygonal base, three or more triangular faces connected to make an apex, named according to shape of base. Number 6 regular tetrahedron. Triangular prism with four triangular faces, six edges and four vertices. Triangles are congruent, same shape and size, and equilateral, all sides the same length. Number 7 cone. A circular base with a curved surface connecting the base to the apex. Types of cones: right, oblique. Number 8 triangular prism. 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Two faces are triangular, congruent, and parallel. If you like this content, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.